That's an electric bike! Now we're driving to another part of this city to catch up with our bicycle factory where we make all the bikes, stuff like that. So, gonna be a fun day. Just arrived here at the next destination. What's up, brother? How are you doing? This is Ben.
Yeah. Hi.
Everybody, what up, man? So he runs the factory here where we make the bikes. So exciting. Haven't seen him in what? Almost 2 years?
I think yes.
Jesus,
Yeah.
so long. Ben, you've put on some weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't look so skinny anymore.
Yeah.
Hey, let's see.
Getting big.
He's the father now. Dad bod. Just gonna take the elevator here. Ben, you ready? You've been gaining weight, but you don't need an elevator like this, Ben.
Yeah.
You're not that big yet. Whoa, that's sick. So we had a few bikes that didn't make it on the last container, just not enough components. Put them together right now. Check it out, 你好，辛苦了，同事们辛苦了哈。这车好装吗？还可以，啊。哪里？这车漂亮吗？ Wow, look at that color. I have not seen these colors in person yet. We just got a container in on the same day that I left for China. So the whole team's seen them except for me. I'm finally seeing them here in the factory. Stoked. Oh my God, look at those beauties. Whoa. Wow, this is the Babymaker. Woo! Sexy, can I? Can I ride one, Ben?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go. There she is, Babymaker, first ride. I'll trade you, Ben. You grab the camera.
I got it.
Man, that is nice. That's the Babymaker, guys. This is where it's made. Man, that's my first time riding it. Pete's been telling me all about it. So excited. Oh man, wait till you get on one of these. It's a rush. Woo. Super smooth. So check it out, this bike. So light, it's 14 kilos. Let's do the test here. Here we go. That's an electric bike! Just finished business here at the factory. Now Ben and I are racing through the streets of China, trying to make time for dinner. Ben must be really hungry because he's going really fast. If you thought parking tickets were bad in the States, check this out. Ben's got a parking ticket right here. And they just pasted it right on his window. He can't get it off. Look at this. Another parking ticket on this car, and wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my God, look at these parking tickets. Oh man, that sucks. So yeah, America, parking tickets, not so bad. So Ben, what are we doing?
We're having something to eat?
Yeah,
Great.
time for some dinner. Ben's taking us for a traditional Chinese meal here, I think. Let's go. At, what is it, Starbucks? No. Close. Yeah. 你好，欢迎光临。
I should put all my life to electric bikes, so I do it.
Your whole life to electric bikes.
Yeah, I think they're the most beautiful things for me, to working with.
What would you tell somebody who does not have an electric bike, but they're thinking about it?
You need to have one. It costs higher than the bicycle, but it's definitely 1000% more towards to have it. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Ben. I see your food's here. I'll let you eat.
Yeah.
Good, man. So here's what we got for dinner. Look at that. Beautiful dumplings, dried. That looks pretty bomb with some sauce. Ben's having, what is that? Beef, eggs, and rice?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's good. I almost got that. How is it?
Or less.
Good. Is this Chinese food?
Hybrid?
Yeah, hybrid Chinese food. I like it. We're in pursuit, in search of the best ice cream in all of China. Ooh. There it is, right there. You ready for this, Ben? You want the normal or the fruity one? Look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes. 这怎么卖，老板？哇，涨价了。Check this out. Man, in for a treat here. Look at that. Chocolate. Ice cream, more chocolate. So good. And it costs like 50 cents. It used to be 30, but now everything in China is more expensive. That's the best. Get it if you're in China. Ask for it by name. What do you think, Ben? How is it? When's the last time you had a 炒乐子?
It's like 1 hour ago.
An hour ago? So Ben was nice enough to let me sleep at his place last night.
Yeah.
We had a good night, had a drink or two and chatted about bikes, good stuff. Now on the way back to the office, then back to Shanghai. We're just in the train station here, about to head back to Shanghai. Tough getting tickets, so I had to buy a first class ticket on the bullet train. I'm gonna show you guys what, I've never done a first class train ticket before here, so y'all get to see with me what that's like. Maybe it's nothing, maybe it's super cool. We'll see in a sec here. Train's here. Let's see what first class looks like. Nice big seats in here. Normally it's 3 to a row. We got 2. Oh yeah, look at that, like a boss. Gonna be really comfortable for the whole 26-minute trip here. Alright, that's the train ride. I was enjoying those first class seats. Now to find this subway back to the office. Let's go. There we go. Just look at this line to get in the subway. There's a million people here. It's like a 30-minute walk to the office, so looking for a bike to pick up now, just to cruise in. Don't see anything out. Oh, maybe down here. Let's go. I just filmed the whole process of getting a bike and I must not have pressed the button hard enough. So anyways, here at the office, just rode this. It's a Hello bike, and with Chinese PayPal, this is Chinese PayPal, super convenient. Scan the bike to check it out, just press this thing to lock it. In a road, like 20 minutes, it costs 1.5 kwai, which is about 22 cents. How cool is that? Here we go. It's done. Don't look at my password. Here we go. Done. Woo. Pretty neat. Now check it out, back at the office. Going in. What's up?
Hi.
Andre, how are you? Good to see you, brother.
Yeah.
Long time no see. Bring it in. 他胖了是不是?
太红了。
Yeah, he did. This is Andrew right here. And if you've seen The Matrix, that's kind of his job. Check this out. Holy shit. It's just binary. He reads binary. He speaks binary. Basically, he's our web developer for both Miles and FLX. Absolute genius. So the problem here with Miles is that we have thousands of SKUs because people can customize their board. So it's not just a Miles dual skateboard, it's a Miles dual with this grip and black wheel colors and that battery. So what we want to do is keep our inventory by the sub component. So we have a level of blue grip tapes, a level of black wheels, and then each product kind of combines, and the inventory is based on the lowest quantity that makes up that product. When you buy a product, if it's in stock, you'll be able to get it. It's truly in stock. If it's not in stock, we actually don't have it. So that'll clear up a lot of things and speed things up for you guys when you order your boards. Just headed out the office again, got some errands to run, so much work to go through. Haven't really sat down at the computer in like 9 days really since leaving. So getting out for some lunch. I'm gonna take you to eat one of my favorite things here in Shanghai. The restaurant was not in the place that Gene said it would be. Maybe I went the wrong way, but oh no! Check it out. Here we are, Shengjian, but it's closed forever. Jesus, oh man. This is not my day. I guess I'm gonna go to the bank now, my other errand, and hopefully see some good food on the way. So I just had a marathon session at this bank. I couldn't find my bank card. And yeah, I had to get a new bank card, got a new phone number too, and a new passport. So not an easy day, especially when, you know, changing things like this in China can be very difficult. They are very by the book, and a lot of requirements, stamps, things like that are required. So the hardest thing was changing the phone number. They needed to check that the phone number is registered in my name. So I showed them on the app from the phone provider all my information and stuff. That was not enough. They needed a stamp and stuff. So went back and forth. They finally put it through. The guy was super nice, and got my new card, deposited money, got a new phone number on it. So good to go this week. Now back on the Hello bike. Let's do it. Ooh. Leave the car right there in the middle of traffic. Just leaving the office here. It's night. I gotta get a bite to eat and also find a place to stay. So we got a plan for that, but stay tuned. This is it. 你好. I got my dinner here right next door to the office. Check this out. This is beef noodles, and it's like kind of a Muslim flavor. It comes from the west of China. It's a big Muslim region, and it's so good. They make beef broth for days, I think. And, the flavor's so good. So I just got my full dinner here. This is a Muslim burger. It's got beef in there, veggies, and the whole thing's deep fried. So good. That's where the protein comes from. And then we got the Muslim beef noodles, so good as well. And don't forget, when you eat these, you gotta take a bite of garlic and then a bite of noodles. That's gonna hit the spot. Ladies, if you wanna smell my breath, now's the time. Just finished work, and I wanted to show you my hotel. It's actually called Hotel Rob. What we have here is just plenty of desk space. It's pretty much amazing. You can work anywhere you like. And for the bed, we use imported Japanese mattresses right on the ground. Really nice. And check this out. This is not only a pillow, it also can double as a shirt, and it's got nothing but the finest air suspension technology. We've got everything you need here for a good night's sleep. Come check in on your next adventure. That'll do it. So that's it for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this and you want to see more episodes, we're going to a new factory tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you see these videos first. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at rob.rast, and I'll see you later.